In this guide, I will show you how to share Instagram group link. Launch the Instagram app on your smartphone and tap on the DM icon located at the top right corner of the home screen to access your direct messages. Then select the group chat for which you want to share the link. Once inside the group chat, tap on the group name or the title at the top of the screen, and this will open a group settings. Within the group settings, look for an option labeled Invitation Link. Tap on it to generate the link for the group. And once the invitation link is generated, tap on the copy option to copy the link to your phone's clipboard. Now, you can paste the copied link and share it through your social media platforms, messaging applications, or any other desired communication method. Simply open the app or platform where you want to share the link and paste it into the message or post. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.